Today we will be learning about print statement in Kotlin. Okay, print statements are basically those statements which are been executed to show something on the screen or display. Okay, so let us just go to any browser and search Kotlin Playground. Kotlin Playground is used as compiler in our Kotlin to run Kotlin codes. Okay, so any Kotlin code can be run on this Kotlin Playground. So I am using this because it is very simple to use. Later on we will be using Android Studio to make applications, not this online compiler. Okay, so this is an online compiler because it is available in browser. You can just search Kotlin Playground and you will get it. Do show that it is from Kotlin Lang. Okay, this is the official website for Kotlin. Now, what is this function main? Function main is the entry point. Let us just skip this and assume that we should write this compulsory just to run our code. Anything written inside this will be executed inside this flower brackets. Okay, so let us just write a print statement, that is print hello world, and just run this code. So this is a hello world. Now you can see I have written hello world, so hello world has been printed. If I write something different, hello different, will this code run? Yes, it will run, and it will print hello different. Okay, now if you want to write this different in the new line, you can see hello different is in a single line. I want to separate this. What I will do is I will use a slash in. Okay, so hello different, you can see the different is in a new line now. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove this print statement and write another one called println. Println stands for new line. Okay, so this is the best method to write any print statement. I use this. Now let us understand what this function stands for. This function main is called as the entry point of an Kotlin code. Inside this flower brackets, whatever you will write will be executed by the compiler. What is this compiler? This compiler is an online compiler uh, which runs the Kotlin code. You can see it. It is written Kotlin. Now just write a print statement. Just print a hello world. Hello world. Now you can see that hello world is been displayed, all because I have written hello world over here. Okay, why I have used these two quotations? You can see here two quotations. These two quotations are used to denote a text message. Okay, for example, this hello world is a text, right? It is made up of group of characters or alphabets, so this is called as a string in our coding language. So to display text, we need to use these two quotations, this one and this one. Inside this quotation, whatever you will write will be printed by this print statement. Now, let us assume I want to write this hello in a line and world I want to write in the new line. I will just use slash n for this. Now, the world will be printed in a new line. Just run this code and you can see hello and world is printed in a new line. Okay, so let us just remove this and we will run another statement called println. Println, in which ln stands for new line. Okay, just we will write hello println and world. Now this both statement will be run in a new line. Okay, let us just run this code. You can see hello is written in a line whereas world is written in another line. So this is the power of new line, that is ln. So print ln. What will happen if I just use print instead of println? You can see the Everything is written in a single line. You can see, even though I have used two separate lines for this code, but still it has been printed in a single line. To avoid this, we use println. So now hello and world is printed in a new line. Okay, we can also use this method called print, and then we will just write hello world, and just to use a backslash here over here to separate the world from this. Just run the code and you can see hello and world is printed on two different lines. Okay, but we prefer println, so we prefer this one in which we write hello, just copy it, and world. Okay, as you can see, both have been written on different lines, hello and world. Okay, so this is better approach. Now let me tell you one thing. In function main, the code will run in a sequential order. That means this hello will always run first, then this world will run. Okay, so this is the first line of execution, this is the second line of execution. Okay, so first hello is been printed, then world is been printed. Okay, and let me revise everything what I have told you. This function main is the compulsory step. You need to do this to execute the Kotlin code. Okay, so inside this bracket, whatever you will write will be executed by the Kotlin compiler. What is the compiler? Compiler is this thing which is running the Kotlin code. Okay, now print statement is used to write texts on to display the text basically, not write. And what is this ln used for? Next line or new line. So this is all about this video.